Video calls are such a valuable resource for the 21st century family. In a world where everyone is on the go and where most families are split up between long distances, it's hard to stay connected. Even though we live in a digital age where there are countless resources to help fill the gaps between distance relationships, we still have plenty of loved ones who can't get plugged in. Whether they are too intimidated to use the technology because they don't have the confidence or because they simply haven't learned. It's common for most families to have some members not be as technically proficient as others, and that's okay. In this video, we are showing you how to use FaceTime on iPhone and iOS devices to video call someone in your contacts. We will take time to walk you through using this application on either your iPhone or iPad. It is important to note that this is not a video on how to sign up for or log into FaceTime, but a practical guide on how to use this application for video calling. Here we see your home screen. It may look a little different, but don't worry. The FaceTime app will always be somewhere on your home screen. It is a green icon with a video camera on it. Find it and tap on it so it opens. From here, we see your most recent calls. If you don't have any recent calls, don't worry. We will be finding someone in our contacts to call. To do this, look towards the top right of your screen for the blue plus button. Tap it, and it will take you to the new FaceTime screen. Tap on the To button to start entering the name of who you want to call. Start typing their name in with the keyboard until you see their name pop up below. Conversely, if you want to search your entire contacts list, press the blue plus sign with a circle around it on the right of your screen. This takes you to your list of contacts, and you can scroll through it and find your desired person. Just tap on the name to start calling them. Today, I am going to call someone in my recent contacts list. I just tap on the name and hope they answer. If you want to end the call, tap on the big red button on the bottom center of your screen. Next, we will video call someone from the Contacts app. Starting from home screen, find the Contacts app. It will have a portrait of two people on it and say Contacts underneath. Tap it, and it takes you to a list of all your contacts. From here, scroll to the name of the person you want to call and tap on their name. This brings you to their personal screen. Next, tap on the middle blue button under their name that says FaceTime, and the call will begin. Finally, if you want to FaceTime someone who has texted you with iMessage, follow these steps. Tap on your new message or go to your conversation in the iMessage app. Here you should see all your messages to this person. Tap on their picture with their name, and three icons will appear beneath their name. The middle one says FaceTime. This you will tap, and the call will begin. We hope that you enjoyed these tutorials and found them useful. It may take some practice and some getting used to, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. It is important to just practice as much as you need. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.